Hey there, Erin Afner with AfnerWords here. Happy Mindful Monday. I am back with another Monday mantra. Each week I channel a mantra based on the collective energy that I'm picking up on, and I write them in first person so you can use them for yourself. I use mantras in my daily practice to help reprogram my brain and shift my mindset, and also heal. Just depends on the mantra and the week and what I'm working on. So I invite you to try mantras in your own life because words are powerful, so we may as well use them to our advantage. This week's mantra is, I don't know what to believe, so I look for corruption inside of me. I don't know what to believe, so I look for corruption inside of me. So it doesn't take a genius to figure out why this is the mantra this week, right? Everybody, I'm sure, has thought that these thoughts recently. I don't know what to believe. There is an overwhelming overabundance of information in our world. Half of it is BS. The other half isn't. So we're stuck with the sifting through the info and trying to figure out what is true and what is not. And if you seek only outside of yourself to figure out truth, that's going to keep you confused, not knowing what to believe. So this mantra is about going inside and looking within yourself to figure out what to believe. And how do you do that? How do you look for the corruption inside of me? You look for fear. You look for doubt. You look for avoidance. Okay, so I don't believe this thing. Why don't I believe this thing? Whatever the thing is. Why is it that I don't believe? What feeling do I have around it? Right? And seek to answer that question to yourself. Why is it I don't believe? I don't know. Let me figure out why. Right? You can ask your higher self why. You can search, soul searching. That's what this soul searching stuff is all about. And, once you are able to answer why you don't believe, you're on your way to the truth. So seek within, right? You may look for information outside of yourself while you're trying to answer that inner question, but at the end of the day, that answer is going to come from inside, and you'll never get it unless you ask. So search inside. Why don't I believe? What do I believe? Why is it hard for me to believe? All right. So here's the mantra one more time. I don't know what to believe, so I look for corruption inside of me. Right? So look for the fear, look for the doubt, look for the denial, look for the avoidance. Those are the places where you're going to find your corruption. All right. Thanks for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button so I can get these videos in front of more people who would like to see them. If you're watching on social media, I'm really curious for your thoughts and your feelings around this mantra and what does it resonate? Are you feeling it? What are you feeling? I'd love to have a little mini conversation. So, all right, take care, and I will see you all next week. Bye.